Welcome to another edition of SoCal Scents. I'm Jeff.
I'm Gabi.
Welcome, Gabi. This is actually a one fragrance video.
Okay.
You're gonna let us know how you feel about Pure XS.
Okay.
Okay, so let everyone know how you feel about, look at that. It's got a fun bottle too.
It's big, yeah.
Pure XS.
Okay. Ooh, I really like this. This is like, oh my gosh, I like this a lot. It's like kind of like sweet and kind of, it reminds me of like vanilla Coke or something. It's really, I like it a lot. This is very, it's like not too sweet though. It still feels like a masculine fragrance, but I like this a lot. This is like, gives me like very like warm vibes and very like, I like this.
To me it's like a warm vanilla Coke with like, there's like a little twist of lemon hint in there.
Yeah.
This is like my favorite like go-to reach fall fragrance because it smells so different than everything else.
Yeah, this does smell different.
I've never smelled anything like this because it smells like a warm Coca-Cola.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Essentially. It won't be for everyone. If you don't like Coca-Cola, I mean,
don't wear it.
Don't wear it. But like if you want something unique and different, I think this one is
I think this is great.
So did you score it out of 10?
I haven't scored it yet. I'd give this like a 9.5 or 10 out of 10. I really like this.
Yeah, I do as well.
Yeah.
And it's just one of those ones that just kind of works.
Yeah.
And how do you feel in the Drydown?
Ooh. I mean, it's still just as, I would still keep it the same, like 9.5 or 10.
So you still vibe with it?
Yeah, no, I still really, really, really like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Pure XS. It's also my favorite fall go-to reach just because nothing smells like it.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you, Gabi.
Thank you.
Follow us right down below. Right there. Do it. Bye, guys.